go. Inside tour. Chest cam engaged. High. Too high up. Lovely, lovely weather. We've got a lot of rain, but we don't care. We just had 3 weeks of sun and it's been absolutely abominably hot. So we are literally loving the rain right now. So yeah, there's the outside. If you go down our steps, you've got all these other camper vans. And there's the old car down there. Walk through the front. This is the French doors, so the front door's not open right now. We walk through. There's the old kitchen. Now we walk through, we've got like the entrance hall, foyer.
A foyer?
Foyer.
A foyer, yeah?
And we've got, right, we've got all our swimming stuff. I don't know if there's a photo of random people there, I don't know why, but there's a photo. And Corey, you can't get in because it's shut, it's locked. And then we got the other door. Well, you tell this is Corey's room because there's like towels on the floor. There's a genuine hovel because our son likes to live like a tramp. You go in here and it's probably not actually too bad. I expect it to be like a nuclear holocaust or something. There's the doggy. And this is actually our room's looking worse. He's put all our cushions back on the bed though, which is a good thing. That's all the GoPro stuff, so I'm going to lock the cushions back up the top. Because we don't like this many cushions on our bed. We just like 2 pillows, done. And then we also got our ensuite, which is broken at the moment because the lighting doesn't work, so we've got to call it. Typically, the lights don't work. So if I turn this on, the lights are literally not working. And that one's not actually turning on at all, it's flickering. I think there's water in there, but I'm not an electrician. Extractor fan comes on. So yeah, this is the tour, the grand tour of the house. The house that we're staying on holidays in. I'm just testing out my new camera mount on the chest. Wait, won't he? You're a good boy, aren't you? You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. You get kisses. You get the kisses. Oh, I get the kisses. That's right, so that's it. That's the recording of our place where we're staying. And I'll catch you later. We can see Pip and, is it Joey? You got Pip. And, oh, one's taking a poo, lovely. One is taking a poo. Lovely little creatures. we go. I think that's Charlie. We'll be walking them on Friday. So hopefully we get a nice chilled out one because we've got the old dog with us as well. We'll bring it around. Oh, it's Chip, not Charlie. Hello, Chip. There's Chip. And there's Pip, Chip, Pip, and... And the dog's gone a little bit crazy. He wants to have a look. Bless him. He's been good boy. He's gentle. And Jude. There's Jude. Hey Jude, don't make a sound. Hey, good boy. Sit down.
It's a dog, he loves a head chicken.
Good boy. Dog's reaction is priceless. No, this way, come on. She's getting a little bit startled now. You come back. Come back here. Thank you. They draw a fair crowd. So I think they're quite popular. Oh, dog just stood on my foot. That big doggy there. Come on then. Come on, buddy. This way. Oh, you got a lovely little pond down there. Oh, stay. Sit. You're not jumping in the pond? Lovely little pond, bit of fish there.
Nice. Voice activated and everything. Perfect. If you just want to stand by the green cone, you should just be behind the Segway. Perfect. So I'm Liam. I know I've already met you, so we'll keep the introduction quite brief. First part of this is a little training module. So it will take 5 to 10 minutes for yourself as you're pretty experienced. If at any point you can't hear me, let me know and I'll speak up. I'm going to turn the Segways on with the keys around my neck, stand it up, place my foot on the drive pad. From that point onwards, it will walk away from you. Have both hands on the handlebars at all times. To step up onto your Segway, I want you to step up nice and quickly. I'll be stood in front to help you steady yourself if you need it. First job is just stand nice and still. To move forward, I want you to lean forward into the handlebars or push them away from you. And move backwards, I want you to do the opposite. Push your weight to the girls, pull the handlebars towards you. To go left, you push the handlebars left, right to go right. The main thing here is they don't turn like a bike, just side to side. If you turn like a bike, you're likely to just go backwards. One of the main rules with these Segways is never leave one foot on like this. Drive pads are under your feet. If you rock that back into your ankle, they're heavy pieces of kit. That's where you're likely to hurt yourself. When you're out, imagine you're giving 2 of your friends a hug. That's how wide you are. We don't want the wheels to hit the wheel of another Segway or anything upright, because that's when the computer could spin the wheels and that's when you're likely to fall off. Whenever we're going over any bumps, rocks or speed bumps, just give a slight bend in your knees, just a bit of active suspension to help you get over the bumps nice and safely, and just have loads of fun. So I'll park this up and get you started.
We always seem to choose nice quiet groups, don't we?
Yeah, made a good choice. There you go, straight to bed. Perfect.
It's just learning the machine, really.
Pardon?
It's just learning the machine again, really.
Yeah.
They're all different.
First couple of minutes will be the hardest bit, and then once you're done, you're done. It's one of those things. Perfect. You're going to roll up to the line of yellow cones, then reverse and put the green cone in between your wheels. Yeah, that's a Segway. How we doing? Did you manage to spot any deer?
No, we didn't.
Oh, we saw 4 the other day. I feel jealous now. Oh, further back.
Perfect, that'll do. Amazing. Next up, you're going to go in and out of the yellow cones. You're going to start from this end. They should progressively get tighter as you go along. Once you've gone through every gap, go back to your green cone and then we'll do the emergency stop. Okay, so whenever you're ready. Okay. Very smooth.
It's all coming back to me.
Perfect. So next up we're going to do the emergency stop. Now, the emergency stop's important because we're on a holiday park, could have kids or animals walking around.
Yeah.
So that blue cone just over there is going to be your stopping point. And it's going to be nice and simple. You're going to roll forward. I'll say stop. Pull your whole body back and away from the handlebars. Go for it. Stop. Perfect. All good. Amazing. Last but not least, we're going to do a safe dismount. And to dismount your Segway, push your handlebars forwards and step off backwards into the gap. So what I want you to do is just line yourself up with the wall, safe dismount, and rest your Segway against there. Perfect. And you've passed, as expected. Got a
Still coming
little
back to
form
me.
for you to sign.